How you can get rid of blackheads naturally forever. Blackheads are small bumps that appear on your skin due to clogged hair follicles. These bumps are called blackheads because the surface looks dark or black. How do blackheads appear on the body, or what causes it? In simple words, when a plug develops in the opening of hair follicles in your skin, it forms blackheads. Every follicle contains oil which is produced by the sebaceous gland. This oil is known as sebum, which helps in keeping your skin soft and hydrated. When dead skin and oils get accumulated in the opening of skin follicle, it results in producing a bump known as comedo. When the bump is closed, it's called whitehead, and when the skin over the bump opens and gets in the contact of air, causes it to look black and thus forms a blackhead. There are few conditions under which you may have a chance of developing acne and blackheads, such as, when body producing too much oil, irritation on hair follicles when dead skin cells don't shed, hormonal changes, menstruation, birth control pills, drugs, restless sleep, increased blood sugar levels, etc. If you want to remove a blackhead manually, then using a round loop extractor can help you, when the small opening in the plug is made, after which applying pressure with the extractor can remove the plug, but also can be very painful and can cause bleeding as well. But there are few therapies as well which can help you get rid of blackheads, such as laser and light therapies, which is conducted by using a tiny beam of intense light to decrease the oil production and kill bacteria. They do not damage the top layers of skin. But how can we get rid of it naturally forever? Using exfoliation in your skincare routine can help you achieve healthy skin without blackheads just by doing it for a week or two. Getting facials regularly, which helps in refreshing your skin, eliminating impurities and restoring the glow and moisture, can help you get rid of blackheads. If you're someone who has an acne skin, then switching to natural cosmetic products is your solution. Using harsh chemicals may help you get rid of blackheads for the meantime, but they will keep appearing on your skin back again, so it's better to switch to natural products. It may take time to show results, but in the long period of time, natural products are what we need instead of harsh chemicals. Please reconsider, as buying cheap products for skin can be a healthy option or not. Keeping your skin clean on regular basis can also help you get rid of blackheads. Washing your skin in the morning after waking up, in the evening after coming back to home from work, and late night before you go to bed is the best and effective way to get rid of them easily. If you're someone looking for home remedies and natural health care, then don't worry, we got you all caught up. Baking soda is a natural exfoliator. You can use it twice a week. Taking steam is known to be the remedy for our skin treatment. Steaming will clear all the toxins out of the skin and provides you with soft, glowing skin. Taking steam once a week is enough. Drinking and applying lemon green tea and lemon with a mixture of honey and salt is known to cure blackheads naturally. Applying tomatoes on the skin can be very helpful in this scenario, as tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and A, which helps skin brightening, oil absorption. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to not to miss any updates on health and fitness.